For us to build muscle and strength, to get respect from other guys and attraction from girls, we need testosterone. But it's literally lower than our grandfathers because of the modern day world and how everything just works. This limits us to building muscle. So in this video, I'll just show you what I do personally to optimize my testosterone, to build the muscle, and to get the respect. Alright, so step one, you should use steroids to improve your testosterone. Like there's no hope. You need steroids. It's everything's fucked. The microplastics, the food, the online, everything you need to get on steroids. That's also why I make so much progress. Okay, no bro, of course not. Like, fuck me. Everyone in school, oh, you're using steroids. No wonder you make so much progress. Like, what the fuck, bro? I just live like a normal, like a fucking human being actually should live. I'm not a subhuman doing nothing with my life. Fucking dickheads. So no, do not use steroids for testosterone. Like that shit is just cope and bullshit. There's so many ways. Like using steroids, it's just complete and utter bagwash. Like there's no fucking point. Like really, it's just cope. Here's the few ways that you can use to optimize your testosterone. Actually get good sleep. You need no junk food in your life. Stop jacking off. Get sunlight and go flirt with the girl. Alright, when I said that, you probably were already like, fuck, this is another video that I actually need to do the hard thing. It's like, yeah, I'm just gonna go watch another video that will give me some bullshit of, oh yeah, you can actually use this supplement that will make all of the, come on, like the flirting part of the girl. This is probably where everyone's gonna be like, no. It's not that hard. Like, just basically just make up some bullshit, just go have fun, and you'll end up flirting with a girl. Why does this spike your testosterone? I'm not sure. Like, I'm not sure why. I just know that it does. You can do your own research, maybe you'll see why. But flirting really does help with your testosterone. Sleep is another big one. You have sleep deficiency, so if you sleep 8 hours, you actually, okay. First of all, let's say you say, okay, I go to bed at 9, let's say 10. I go to bed at 10 and I wake up at 6. I'm asleep 8 hours. First of all, if you go to bed at 10, you don't fall asleep at 10. You probably fall asleep like 30 to an hour later, but let's use 30 minutes. So you actually sleep 7.5. You have sleep deficiency. You do not sleep 7.5. 20% sleep deficiency. That's the average for like every fucking human on the planet. You probably sleep like 6.5 hours. Yeah, I sleep 8 hours. I'm fine. For you to sleep 8 hours, you need to be in bed 9 or 8:30. Like not eating shit food, you also need to progressive overload with it. You cannot just cut everything out. When I started out, I remember my trainer. I would always send him pictures of, is this food fine? Is this food fine? Oh, I ate this. I think it was like a photo of a cake then. Is this fine? How bad is it? This is basically what I would do. I just sent him a photo of everything that I ate. And he would just straight up tell me, no, that shit. Whole foods. Just go with whole foods. If you showed it to someone 500 years ago and they know what it is, that is a food you can eat. But like I said, he told me, okay, yeah, I'm eating no sugar. I was like, what? How? Oh, I was shocked. Like, how did he eat zero sugar? But he's already been in the thing for a very long time. Me, I don't eat any sugar now for months. I literally go months without eating any sugar. Progressive overload. Okay, fair enough. If you eat chips, fucking cake, junk food, chocolates every single day, cut out one, half the amount that you eat. Actually, start to track the food that you eat, and you'll see, oh, okay, my macros is fucked if I eat this food. And don't fall for the bullshit of, yeah, eating chips to get my carbs in. No, no, no. Just focus on clean foods and progressive overload over time. Do not eat as many shit food. And you getting into the sunlight is really easy. Like, what will I do? My previous video was on meditation. You can go meditate in the sun. You can literally go read a book, which is also good for your mental health, in the sun. You just get sunlight. If you really have to, you can also use vitamin D as a supplement, but like it's just go get natural sunlight. But I advise you to do both, but I know you probably won't go buy anything right now. So it's fine, just go get natural vitamin D in the sun. And you actually get brown, which looks good. You being the fucking, if you're white and you're a white looking like a milk, basically. And that's not right. And I'm not gonna go into the no jacking off because I made a video on this previously. The whole video explained it. If you want to go watch that out, I think it was like 3, maybe 4 videos ago. Just go check it out, bro. It's fucking amazing videos, especially my previous 2. So it's basically called the Hardig and the Sloppy Dig lifestyle. The Hardig lifestyle is where you actually do something like maybe you work on a business, you work on school, you go to the gym, you flirt with girls, you have no social media. That's like the one version. The other version is you watch social media, you scroll, you eat junk food, you lay on the bed the whole day, like you do nothing. 2 versions. This one will have more testosterone, will get more respect, will get more attraction, will make more progress in the gym. Start applying this now. Have a good day. Bye bye.